Yeah, hi guys, how you doing? So today I have this smoke vacuum leak detector. I've been getting a low boost pressure on this car, so I just got this from China, and I want to use it to see if there's a leak here. Okay, so this is a very simple device. It just contains a heater, then it contains a bay for you to load your oil. Okay, then you connect this to your battery terminal. All right, so let's start the test. So I've connected it to the vacuum hose here. Oh, okay, so as you can see here, smoke is leaking out from this joint here. So I'm sure possibly this is where I'm having the vacuum leak, and that's why I'm getting low boost pressure. All right, so let me try and see what I can do about this, and I'll update you guys on the progress. Thank you.